seen that there's metal on the top. Yeah, you ain't never seen when we get down. Don't touch it, it'll get a spring.
Oh, I'll be alright.
No. Yeah, that is what I'm
The fuck you say?
Don't worry about it. It was a good one. And a little sweat.
Always sweating.
Cause your woman be in that ass.
Don't worry about my woman.
But that don't make the clip.
I bet it do. I don't get a backhand like you do.
Shit.
Listen, don't come into my job with two of them.
Don't worry about it, alright?
Try and blame it on JT.
That right there, we call pizza. Little baby pizza, maybe like a medium pizza. Either way. Wash your bike?
I have.
You rode your bike.
Where is your bike?
At home.
When's the last time you rode it?
But when you
Couple weeks.
Nah, it's been
why
longer than
haven't
that.
you rode it though, Eric?
I mean, she'll run. She just someone's knocking, trying to come on out, but I don't let them know.
But what happened? Why aren't you riding it?
Because it's got a knock. It runs.
It's got a knot? Just a knot.
Just a little.
Just a little bit.
That sounds like you're playing healthy motor right there. Cops? No cops.
No,
It's the you left the garage door open knot.
yeah,
It's real soft.
That's white neighbor. Nah,
That's trying to be nosy.
She loud.
My old white neighbors be knocking around here.
I rode it from the trailer up to the house, from the cul-de-sac. And it sounded like it was about to explode.
Alright. Love continental motion. Run on everything, but needless to say, fourth gear rolling burnouts. It did not. Hit up the homie Ernie. He's running these. Avon. What I go with the Spirit. ST. Talk about some motherfucking tread. We're gonna find out though. Man, are you gonna put it on?
I would, but my hands are full.
Ah, that makes sense. Motherfucker's on there. That right there is about how I lost my face. There she is.
Buying a cheapo for the front brakes, but I feel like if I do,
I don't know, I feel like front brakes a lot to, on a big bike to race on the ground. It's like, man.
I mean, you're relying on a lot, just your head and your back and your face, and nothing important.
Nah.
Nothing, yeah, nothing too serious. Give me all these fucking keys. Short and stubby.
You watch your mouth.
There you go.
Fucking cord get in the hole. Alright, dude. Doesn't move it.
What's up? What's the deal?
Fucking hair so you're breathing down my neck and shit.
I thought I was supposed to come to you to get my shit worked on, but that was.
What you doing with this dragon breath, bro?
Who?
You.
Keenan's always on a breath kick.
You know I use that crap ultra light with the mint.
With the bent. Damn, he said your crest ain't shit, bro. Colgate all day.
Nah, I think I got that Sensodyne right now. I'm gonna say.
Oh, you got them sensitive teeth?
Now I know.
That's cute.
My girl came home with it.
Don't be blaming your sensitive teeth problems on your girl.
Fine.
I'm about to have to. Oh, we got it.
Good job.
You just flung sweat all the way over here.
That's like this shit right there. You can't buy this at Walmart. Do some of that.
Mm-hmm.
Keenan?
Back the fuck up.